Hi again, guys. Today we're building the trending TikTok meme, 6 Italian Brainrot characters, but in mini scale, so you can easily recreate them yourself with just a few pieces. We're also diving into the hilarious origins of these memes and showcasing absurd stop-motion shorts for each character that I created. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Starting off at number 6, Frigo Camelo. His name is a mashup of Frigo, fridge, and Camelo, camel, creating a bizarre hybrid, a camel with a refrigerator for a body, and of course, giant boots. Frigo Camelo is a wandering, melancholic traveler, trudging through European cities like Rome, Paris, Madrid, and Milan. The meme describes him as carrying a burden of sorrow, lamenting that while he keeps things cold, he himself is lost in the heat of the world. His signature line, "C'è freddo qui dentro," "It's cold in here," adds to his tragic aura. For the build, it's simple but hilarious. A Lego fridge with a camel's head. Honestly, I think Frigo Camelo is the coolest camel you'll ever meet. Check out my other creations and my second channel specialized for digital builds, Kosbrick Digital. Please consider to subscribe and give it a like, and thank you if you have. Let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion. Next up, Tung Sahur, a terrifying wooden humanoid wielding a baseball bat. His face? A blend between Thomas the Tank Engine and Ao Oni, making him smiley yet deeply unsettling. This meme blends Indonesian culture with horror, mimicking the sound of a bedug drum used to wake people for sahur, the pre-dawn meal during Ramadan. Tung Sahur appears if someone ignores the sahur wake-up call 3 times. If you don't get up, you might just find him at your door. For the build, I used a Star Wars battle droid figure, swapped its head, and added a baseball bat from Lego Minifigures Series 3's baseball player. At number 4, we have Bombombini Gusini, a goose that's also a bomber plane. Yes, you heard that right. Bombombini Gusini is the brother of Bombardiro Crocodilo and was created for aerial destruction, dropping bombs in absurd meme scenarios. But after seeing Bombardiro's downfall, he vowed revenge and launched a scorched earth assault. Now I have a question. Where do the bombs come out? From the stomach? Is he pooping bombs? For the build, I modeled the plane after the Boeing B-29 Superfortress, a legendary bomber from World War II. And for the goose, I took inspiration from Untitled Goose Game, one of my favorite games. You should try it too. Coming in at number 3, Lirili Larila. This cactus elephant hybrid wanders the desert, wearing sandals, carrying a ticking clock, and avoiding fights with time manipulation. Once an ordinary elephant, Lirili Larila felt out of place and transformed into a cactus hybrid. After being mocked for its strange appearance, it set off on a journey, guided by visions of a glowing crown. Despite becoming a ruler, Lirili found no joy in kingship. What it longed for wasn't power, but true friendship. For the build, I used Lego claw pieces for the tusks and an old trick: open studs for cactus texture and spines. At number 2, we have Bombardiro Crocodilo, an anthropomorphic crocodile fused with a bomber plane. Pure chaos. He's the brother of Bombombini Gusini. Imagine their family reunions. It must be an explosive event. Bombardiro Crocodilo was originally just a crocodile, but after exposure to an unknown force, he became a living war machine. Known for his rhyming text-to-speech narration, Bombardiro lives for bombs and destruction. For the build, I modeled it after the North American B-25 Mitchell, a versatile World War II bomber, named after General Billy Mitchell.
Okay.
And finally, our number 1 pick, Tralalero Tralala, the one that started all the Italian Brainrot memes. Picture this: a shark wearing Nike sneakers, engulfed in cap-cut flame explosion filters, while a robotic Italian voice chants absolute nonsense. The meme went viral on TikTok in early 2025, featuring an AI-generated chant, Tralalero Tralala, Porco Dio e Porco Allah, followed by a bizarre monologue about Fortnite, grandmothers, and questionable dinner plans. Yes, you heard me right. Dinner plans. For the build, you could use a Lego shark piece. But in this video, I show you how to create a brick-built version in case you don't have one, as it's also quite expensive. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.